I'm at Talize this morning, and it's really nice because at this point I can get here without using Google Maps. But this time I have a bunch of stuff to donate.
Oh my god.
Wow, like, what? You just happened to be thrifting? I thought you did your spring video. So I just got home. And these are the things that I got. You wanna go up? Ooh. Yeah. That's called the smell of thrifting. First thing that I got was this piece of art print. It's just a print, and I'm going to DIY it. You'll see what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna do something really cool with it. You wanna come down? And then the next thing that I got was a linen, but not actually real linen blazer. It's hard to thrift blazers in terms of the style from just a decade ago. Like, shoulders are always really big, lapels are really fat, the buttons are really old. I like that it is a long blazer, so I can kind of wear it like a spring jacket. It's pretty modern. I just have to take out the shoulder pads because I actually don't have any more blazers in my closet. I picked up a lot of pair of jeans. These ones are actually from Zara. I'm going to be doing a DIY embellished jeans. Pair of jeans here, another pair of jeans here. So it's going to be a pretty major DIY. It's hard. I don't know how people did it in the 2000s. Well, I mean, I went through the 2000s too, but like, low rise is so not comfortable. And most of the stuff in thrift stores nowadays is low rise. It's also very hard to find fit flared jeans now. You can maybe find wide leg jeans here and there, but to find jeans that are tapered down the leg and then flared out at the hem, actually nearly impossible. So I'm really glad that I got these, plus the wash. Wash is very important. A lot of the things are really bright yellow stitches and like really blue jeans. And I also picked up a maxi denim skirt, and also, again, to find a pair of jeans or anything denim that doesn't have weird butt pocket designs and doesn't have any weird like wrinkle pressed wash that they already imprinted into the denim is really essential. So I think I'm gonna DIY something with this as well. Then I got this wool red skirt. Just a red mini skirt, fits really nicely. Ooh, guess what? It's vintage. 92% wool. Vintage skirt. I scored a lot of true vintage pieces this time. This one was $8. And then another skirt that fit really nicely, I don't know what I'm gonna wear it with, is a khaki pair of skirt, and it's high-waisted. Also true vintage, beautifully made, has a lining, has the skirt. This is virgin wool, I believe. Yeah. Really good quality. And my family friend actually dropped off a couple of her old skirts for me, and they're plaid skirts, and this stuff is, the quality of this is amazing. It's like heavy duty wool, beautiful pleating. I got it in this plaid too. She gave me this. These ones just barely fit me. So the back to school thrift video that I did with Naomi, I had this t-shirt on, and I'm really sad that I didn't buy it. I kind of have been looking for it ever since. Lo and behold, guess what I found? This t-shirt. I don't even know if it was at this location. And I found this t-shirt. I'm going to make a DIY with these two t-shirts. You'll see. To me, these two t-shirts is like the essence of America. Hooters and giant trucks and flames. So a huge haul for today. I'm so excited to rock these in the spring and get to DIYing for all of these things. I'm on a huge DIY kick again. Very excited about this thrift haul to start my spring wardrobe.